Hey everybody, today we are test driving Jaguar XJ V6 260 brake horsepower vehicle, which came in with the DPF issues, power loss, engine lights on. The problem has been solved. What can you say about your car? How was it driving and how is it drives now?
Yeah, it's like a new vehicle completely. It's completely transformed. As you can see, it's very responsive as we as we shoot away there. So I'm very pleased with the result. If I didn't know better, I'd think it was a new vehicle. So yeah, completely transformed, much smoother ride, totally responsive, and as a Jaguar should be, a much smoother ride.
Okay, can you see or have you noticed if there's any black or white smoke coming from the rear mirror? Have you seen anything?
No, I haven't seen any smoke whatsoever. And you know, all the messages that I'd been getting previously from previous services are now completely gone. So yeah, I'm totally happy with the result.
Excellent. Thank you, sir. We are www.supremedpfclean.com, located in Bromley, Kent. You can reach us on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, remapping or turbo injector issues. We are also remapping center. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button. It will help me. Thank you very much.